Hey everyone. Hi. So trying to replace the wiper blades here on my Ford Transit. So first off, the Transit has a very narrow hood, so it's not got a real good place for my camera to sit. Laptop or iPad here. So I'm trying to get a good angle so you can see this. Let's see here. I wonder how this thing pops up here. Tab maybe. Usually the tab indicates something you gotta pull out. Yeah. And then, so push the tab in. I'm trying to move you without falling off the hood here. Okay, so we push the tab in. Now it looks like, let's see here. Oh, don't fall. Okay, so just pull it out. There we go. So, ooh, wind's kind of blowing you there. Okay, so push the tab in, and then just basically just pull it straight out. That was pretty easy. So let's get our other thing here. Wiper blade. The smaller one is hopefully this will not be difficult to get out here. Okay. Using the Bosch. It's a 21OE for this for the smaller blade on the Transit here. Trying to get the blade out of here. It's all wrapped up pretty well. Got different parts in there for clicking it on to different mechanisms looks like. Okay, still trying to get out of the packaging. Okay. Alright, so looks like it's probably going to just go in the same way it came out, hopefully. So we're just going to lift this up, tilt this slightly, and hopefully push it right. Oops. I'm going to push this tab down. I hope. Push these ones in and this one down. Maybe. And then push it in and it clicks in. Okay. That looks right. So just pretty much just push the tabs in on the side and down a little bit and then just snug it in there. The little latch thing pops up in there and it's holding firm. Okay. So I am going to undo this other wiper blade. This one for the longer side for the Transit is a 28AOE or 28AOE, however you want to say that. So just slide the sleeve off. Make sure to pick up your trash when you're done. Let's see here. Just want to rip one end open here. It's got different parts. Looks like if you need to connect it. It's got instructions. It's got different latches here if you need them. I don't think we need them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this one out. There we go. And the same dealio over here. We're gonna push the tab in with our finger here, and then pull it out this way. So just holding this firmly and just pulling it out. I think maybe don't want to pull too hard here. All right. Just trying to pull pull while I push and push while I pull here. The other one just kind of came right out. It's catching a little bit, but I was able to just keep manipulating a little bit while I pulled, and out it came. So once again, on this, you got these little tabs here that are like kind of winging out, and then this push button too also. So just want to kind of make sure that the label is up. You want to kind of push it. I don't know if you can see past my hand, I'm sorry. But just want to push it in there kind of. And then, oops. I push these tabs in with my finger, but then this other one's, you got to kind of get the whole thing in there. And it almost looks like it's not going to fit. But then you just kind of try and push it into place, and then it snaps into place here with a little button. So that's about it. Looks like I think that's the same length and all. I'll check, double check. Looks like the one that was in there was a little bit longer. I did go to Kragen or whatever, and that was the one that the part that came up. So I'm hoping that's correct. It did snap right in there. So and that one looks about the right size. The one that I replaced was a couple inches longer. So anyway, that was fairly simple. Probably the hardest part was balancing my camera so I didn't fall off the hood, because unlike the Excursion, the Transit has a really slopey hood here, and it doesn't really hold a camera very well, or an iPad or whatever. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to throw away your old stuff in the appropriate package and the appropriate disposal container. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.